Here are the 3 chords you want to focus on. 4 chords, not 3. Oh well. The E major chord starts with this, but then we're going to use the E major 7 chord. To find the E major 7, take an E major chord, go down a half a step to the leading tone, and you have an E major 7th chord. That's written in measure 9. The next chord is a C sharp minor 7. I take a C sharp, an E, and a G sharp. I take down to the B. That's a C sharp minor 7th compared to the E major 7th that you did a minute ago. That's in measure 11 without the E in the bottom. D sharp minor 7th, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Here's the D sharp, down a full step to C sharp. It's written on measure 13. Here's G sharp minor, G sharp, F sharp. The chord in measure 13 doesn't have the B. And you're back to E. So you want to practice going first in blocks. Notice I went down for that chord. That's the intro. Here comes verse 1. These are just the chords. There's a little chord there. They're saying B, D sharp, just ignore it. Notice it's the same chord progression over and over again. See if there's any difference. Nope, once you have these chords, you can pretty much create your own arrangement based on what you hear. But you gotta get good at these. Here's the outro, he calls it. I've never heard of an outro. That's arrangement. Outro? Talk about making things up. Yep, so there's your key. If you get those chords, you have it. All right, the next thing you want to work on is when you get to measure 49, we have arpeggiated chords. So I've taken the E major 7 chord, and I'm playing the 1st, the 5th, an octave, and then the arpeggio. Here I do a C sharp minor. Notice I'm no longer using the 7 in this. And G sharp. C sharp minor. I would get something like going there. Now, it's not written exactly that way, but that's the underpinning. I noticed that in measure... Okay, here's measure 49. Here's measure 51. Here's measure 53. Look how he changes it. Huh, and G sharp minor. He adds the 7th. That's interesting. Oh, that's interesting. So he still does the bottom, but instead of doing the arpeggio, he goes up in steps. Then back to arpeggio. Back to little steps. All right, so here comes the whole left hand.